Hello everyone. Okay, just I was checking I'm audible or not. Okay, from today onwards we are going to start Python basics. Okay, complete. Okay, whatever from basics to advanced we are going to learn in these 30 days. This is the first day. Okay, I have started already 2 weeks ago, but I couldn't complete it. Okay, I could not continue further, but now I'm with the full mind and my what I have decided to make it consistent. Okay, I should go with consistency. Daily, I should do a live and daily practice all these programs. Okay, whatever the theory it might be, I'll just go with the flow and I'll learn. Okay, along with you people, um, you should also respond to me. And if you have any questions regarding if I don't know also I'll learn and I'll clarify you for you all. Okay? Here I'm learning with you people. Uh, see, let's start journey together. This is the first day. Consider this is the first day in learning Python. Without wasting time, let's start today's session. I have made a small notes from ChatGPT only. See, in this session, what we are going to learn, and finally, we should be learning some concepts, right? What are the concepts we are going to learn in this session? ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಕೂಡ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲಿ ಅವಾಗ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕೂಡ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರಿ ಇವಾಗ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್ and next what is python. Yes, if you're going to learn this python course, then you should know what is python first, and next features of python, applications of python, installing python and the vs code. See, this I can't tell, I'll do a separate video. And print function, variables, data types, user input. uh yes, user what user input and type conversion, it's important. And operators, conditional statements, loops and loop control statements, nested loops. These are the okay, these are the concepts or the topics we are going to learn in this session. Okay, the question is, what is programming here? See, programming, it is the process. Okay, it is the process of giving instructions to computer to perform a task. Let me tell you that I'm going to ask a computer, I want uh, I want to learn a python. Okay, give me a set of okay rules, what and all I have to learn python and how to start a python. Like that I'm going to give instructions. So it will perform a task, okay, where it will respond, it will process something, and it will give output. That is, it perform a task and it will give me in return the response. That is what programming is called. Okay, understood, right? Programming is the process of giving instructions to a computer. You are going to give some instructions or some commands to a computer to perform some task. Understood? Next, here a computer cannot think on its own. Yes, we all know computer cannot think on its own. It will it will perform actions or some task based on the previous, okay, based on its experience, like what the knowledge we have given already, okay, existing knowledge. It is trained like that. Based on that, it will do task or functions, anything. Next, it follows only the instructions written by the programmer. Here, programmer, uh, it may be a you or me or someone, okay, who gives instructions to computer. that instructions will be followed by a computer. Understood? This is all about the programming. Understood, right? If you are going to, if you understood this programming, okay, what you understood about programming means, give a like, okay, giving higher. Thank you. Understood by programming, right? Next, the one more important question is, what is Python? When you are going to learn this Python, you will think, what is Python? Why will you have to learn this Python? Like that. For that, here is the solution. See, Python, it is on high level. Okay, here it will be responded like a human language only. If you know English, you can learn Python easily. That is called, it is a high level language. Interpreted programming language. Here, what is Python? It is called as interpreted programming language. Why? Because interpreter. What do you mean by interpreter? You all will be knowing, right? Interpreter means, interpreter, it will not, it will do a simple thing, that is it will execute the program line by line. Okay, it will do line by line execution. That is called as, here Python, it is called as interpreted programming. Why? Because it will execute in line by line. And Python was created by Guido van Rossum and it was released in 1991. Okay, this is the year where Python was released and it was created by Guido van Rossum. And why we have to learn Python? See, Python is easy to learn because it's syntax, where you know, right? Python is syntax based, where syntax is simple only, but it will be, if you miss syntax, it will give a syntax error, and like that, if you miss any spaces and all. Okay? Syntax is nothing but a set of rules, okay? Set of rules to be followed during writing the program. And see, Python, as I said, it is similar to English, correct? Next, you learnt about Python, right? Sorry for the disturbance. Okay, see here, features of Python. What are the features of Python? See, Python, it is easy to learn. Yes, we know, easy to learn. It is like English only. If you know English, you can learn Python. Like that, easy to read. Yes, it is in English. Or nowadays, all of the people, like most of the people knows English. They can actually read English. That's why it is easy to read and free and open source. Yes, Python, it is freely available and it is a open source. Cross platform. Yes, there is a large community support for Python and it is object oriented and high level language. Yes, these are the features of Python. And one thing I should tell, this is the first day. Okay, consider this is the first day of Python. So we will be learning the overview from tomorrow onwards. Okay, from the day 2 onwards, we are going to learn by splitting the topics, like day 1 concept, day 2 concepts, like that. We are going to split. Just like that, we are going to spread the topics and then we are going to learn. Okay, like that, we are going to learn the topics. Yes, guys, I have some work. Let me stop here. I'll continue again.